Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just finished opening the little Pixie Rose Poopsie surprise doll who became Belle Parker. And I was saying that up in my doll nook, I have a 24-inch Amaya Raine standing next to a Poopsie surprise Amaya Raine standing next to a 10-inch Rainbow High Amaya Raine, and they're all dressed alike. So one thing led to another, and well, you see where I'm going. I absolutely love these dolls. They are so beautiful and so well made. And I've been on eBay, and I should get off eBay. But look what, Donna, I hope you're watching. Look what I found, and I could not resist. I just could not resist. Wow, that's really pretty cut, isn't it? It's really pretty long, but oh, that's cute. That is cute. I love her. So I saw this girl and she had make offer. Well, if you watch my channel, you know that if it says make offer, I'm going to. So she's going to have to return that dress to the girl up in my doll nook. And these two are going to have to get a matching dress. And I'm going to need another 10-inch Amaya Raine out of the box. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Guess we're going to need a doll warehouse next.
Yes, please.